Interview questions. So the question is, you will be given a binary tree. You will be given a binary tree. Value of each node will be between 1 to 9 inclusive. And you have to find the sum of all the numbers which are formed by root to leaf path. So 985 forms a number. 985. Then 9874. 9874. 912. 912. 9146. 9146. 9143. 9143. You have to add all these numbers plus 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 and sum as the output. How will you go? Let's see how a number is written. For example, take 1 2 3. So how is 1 2 3 formed? If you read this number from left to right, it is 1. First is 1. Then when you encounter 2, it becomes 1 into 10 plus 2, which is 12. Now when you get 3, it becomes 12 into 10 plus 3, 123, and so on. We will start with a node, move to its child node, multiply the previous node with 10, and add the current value, and so on. How do we know a node is a leaf node? If it's both left and right child is null. No children. 2 has no child, 6 has no child, 3 has no child, so these are leaf nodes. And how to traverse a tree? You know in order, you know pre-order, you know post-order traversal. So in this case, we will start from root node and move till we get leaf node. Let's see it once again. Start with the root node 9. We will move to its child 8. We will multiply 9 with 10 and add the current value 8, which makes it 98. We will move to left, multiply it with 10, it becomes 980. We will add the current value 5. When we move to left, it is null. The right is also null. It's a leaf node. Then we will return the 985. We return 985. Same 9874. We will we will repeat the same thing in this path also, and similarly for all the paths. For all the paths, we will do the same thing. You know how to create a structure. Simple. Declare a value for variable. So this is how you write a structure. Declare a variable for data and for the left and right pointers. So we will create a method path sum. Its return type is integer because we will be adding all the values and returning it. It will be a recursive method. We'll pass the structure. We'll pass the root. It will take root node as a parameter and also the sum as parameter. At the base case, if root is null, if the root is null, the sum is 0, right? So just return 0. But if root is not null, then we will multiply the sum with 10. We will multiply the sum with 10 and add the current value. This is for base. Now, if the root is leaf node. If it does not have left or right child, it's a leaf node. So if if root left is null and root right is also null, then it's a leaf child. So this our sum is complete because we have already added the sum here, current value. We have already added the current value here. So our sum is for that particular path is final. So just return the sum. Else we will recursively call the left and right node and add both. Recursively call this method with left node and add add it with right node. That's all. So we start from the root node, move towards the leaf node. We keep on multiplying the previous value with 10 and add the current value. The moment we find that it is a leaf node, we return the sum and we recursively do this for all the paths. And finally, since we are adding all the paths, we get our output.